Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will talk about the basics of UI and UX design. If you are just starting with design or learning tools like Figma, understanding these two concepts is the first and most important step. Let's start with UI design. UI means user interface. This is everything the user can see and interact with on a screen. For example, buttons, colors, typography, icons, images, and layout. UI design focuses on how a digital product looks and how the visual elements are organized on the screen. Now let's talk about UX design. UX means user experience. This refers to the overall experience a user has while interacting with a product. UX design focuses on how easy, clear, and intuitive a product is to use. For example, if a user opens an app and immediately understands where to click and how to navigate, that is good user experience. But if the user feels confused and cannot find what they are looking for, then the UX design needs improvement. So in simple words, UI is how a product looks, and UX is how a product works and feels for the user. Great digital products always combine both UI and UX design to create experiences that are not only beautiful, but also easy and intuitive to use. In the next lesson, we will explore Figma, one of the most powerful tools used by UI and UX designers to create digital products. If you want to learn UI and UX design step by step, follow this series and don't miss the next lesson, where we explore Figma and start designing our first interface. See you in the next video.